Okay, now we're in the superstructure of the crane. Now, first off, you're going to want to kick that key on. That'll light up both screens. You know, let them load. Check over everything on here. So right now we have 50 tons of counterweights. All of our outriggers are at 100%. We have 4 parts of line on cable number 1, and that's the only setup we can run right now without a auxiliary ball. Then from here, this pad here is the easiest way to toggle between screens. So we're just going to run this. We're going to hit that. It just scrolls either way, and press the center. Okay, so that screen is set up and it's all in feet. Everything is, you know, everything's how it should be. Now we're going to move down the next screen, and this little icon here tells us what screen we're on. So then we're going to come over here and press this button here. That moves us onto the bottom screen. Go ahead and hit your center toggle once again. We're going to come down here and just press this one, and that toggles between menus. So I'm going to come down here to the hour meter, hit that. Now when you're doing your little daily inspection thing, I always go off of, if you can see right there, the turntable, 469 hours. And so that's what you're going to write down in your little book here, you know, for your daily log, daily crane log. Okay, we're going to get out of that menu, and now we can go ahead, and this is how you start it. The plus, there's a plus and a minus. Press and hold the plus. Now, due to the fact that it's warmer temperatures now, you don't really have to worry about it starting hard. In the wintertime, all the hydraulic fluid doesn't like to move when it's cold, and so it might die a couple times on you. But so just let it idle for a couple seconds to get, you know, all the pumps and everything flowing for the superstructure. And then what this means here is that the hydraulic fluid is too cold. So we're just going to let it idle for, you know, a little bit here. Hit the center toggle, go back in our menu, go to the next menu, come down here where it has this logo. That's hydraulic heater. So we're going to hit that. That'll idle it up and make a terrible sound. But that's just heating up the hydraulic fluid so you don't cause troubles on pumps and stuff. Okay, so then, oh, another thing. I turned the airplane beacon on. I didn't mean to the other day, so we're just gonna kill that. It's right there. That's off. I sometimes like to have the beacons on. Just kind of lets people know, you know, stay clear of you. But right now, I don't really have to worry about that. And of course, this is air conditioning. In here, high, low, and you're running everything off of the center toggle. That's your selector, and you know, you turn it side to side, it moves around and selects which setting you want to go in. Okay, so this would be a perfect example. Most of the time, every time you start it up in the morning or whenever, it's not going to want to turn. So you come over here. This is your swing, or a swing motor. Turn that on. First thing in the morning, just click that on. Come over here. This is cable number 1, and be your boom up, boom down function. I would just click these on right away, first thing in the morning. Okay, so now technically we should be able to swing, but it won't. It's not letting us, even though everything is on. That's because the hydraulics in the counterweights will leak down and say that it's too low. So we're gonna go hit your center toggle again. Come over here to the T, looks like counterweights. We're gonna hit that. Then it's gonna be on the top arrow. Just press that center toggle and hold it. And it'll make a terrible sound, and then this circle turns green. That usually means we're ready to go. Yep, now we can start turning. If that doesn't work, get back out of the menu, go to the house lock. This is you can only lock this when you're at 0 degrees and 180 degrees, you know, perfectly straight with the chassis of the crane. Sometimes this pin will leak down as well. So you just come over here, toggle up to the top arrow, and you know, just hit it with your center scroller toggle switch. That'll raise it up. And sometimes you have to come over here. This is your override, like just for doing that. So you're just gonna mash that, then you come in here and press the up arrow, and that'll raise it up a little bit. But other than that, that's pretty much it for that. I'll go to another video here.